Students, today I will explain you about how we find out Laplace transform of unit step function, and there some properties also I will explain, as well as I will try to finish direct delta or impulse function and periodic. So let's start. So first function is a unit step function. It is also known as Heaviside function. How it is defined? What is mean of step function? Step function means a function whose value is constant throughout the subinterval is known as step function. And what is unit? Unit means value 1. So a function whose value is 1 and becomes constant for throughout the subinterval. So how it will define, I will tell you. Actually this is t. It is denoted by ut minus a. What is the value? Value is 1 if t value greater than a, and 0 if t value less than a. You can put equal to sign here. It's your choice. So at a, if this is y, this is unit step function graph. So at a, what is the value? 1. And before a, what is the value? 0. So this function is known as unit step function. Now I will tell you how we find Laplace of ut minus a. Laplace of ut minus a we can calculate as like basic formula. 0 to infinite e to the power minus st ut minus a dt. Now what is ut minus a? It's divided into two parts. One up to a, value is 0. After a to infinite, value is 1. So it becomes 0 to a e to the power minus st. What is the value? 0 dt plus a to infinite. What is the value? 1. So this is 0, and that is when you simplify, its value becomes e to the power minus as by s. Simple integration. So what is Laplace of ut minus a? E to the power minus as by s. Suppose if someone asks you, what is the Laplace of ut minus 3? What is the Laplace of ut minus 3? What is a value? 3. So what is the answer? E to the power minus 3s by s. Suppose someone asks what is the Laplace of ut. What is a value here? Nothing is there. It is 0. So when you put a value 0, what will becomes? 1 by s. So this is basic. Now I will tell you some properties, and then we will go for some question. How we convert any function, how we convert function in terms of unit step or Heaviside. It's very important in control theory. So properties, or we can tell as a result. Very important result. There are two results which are very important. If Laplace of ft we know, that is fs, then Laplace of ft minus a multiplied with ut minus a is nothing e to the power minus as fs. And second property is Laplace of ft ut minus a is nothing e to the power minus as Laplace of ft plus a. So these two properties will play very important role when we solve next question. So what is next question? Question is, suppose ft given t minus 1. This is t greater than 0, less than 1, t greater than 1, less than 2. So they ask you convert this function in terms of Heaviside or unit step and then find its Laplace. So how we do? See, I will tell you the formula. If ft defined as a, where t lies between B and C. Then in terms of unit step, how we write? Value of the function means A multiplied with U at lower minus U at upper. This is the way how we write a function in terms of unit step. So use here. What is the value of function? T. And what is lower limit? 0 minus U t minus 1. Similarly, plus t minus 1 U t minus 1 minus U t minus 2. So multiply, it is t ut minus t ut minus 1 plus t minus 1 ut minus 1 minus t minus 1 ut minus 2. Simplify, what we will get? So what is final ft? T ut minus 0. Here t minus 1 and minus t. So t cancel means minus of ut minus 1 minus of t minus 1 ut minus 2. So now we are going to calculate its Laplace. So what is Laplace of ft? In this, which formula we are going to use? Which result? First one or second one? Definitely second one, because here a value is 0 and here no, for this I think we can use first one because t and here a value also t minus a 0. So use that one. What is the result? E to the power minus, what is a value? 0. So e to the power 0 as fs. Fs means ft given how much? T. So what is fs? 1 by s square. Correct? Because u t minus a value 0, and what is ft? T. So minus Laplace of ut minus 1 is e to the power minus as, a value 1 upon s. Now for this, what is ft? Ft is t minus 1, and what is a value? 2. So what is its Laplace? A to the power minus as. A means 2s. Laplace of f t plus a. What is a value? 2. E to the power minus 2s. Laplace ft is t minus 1. Then what is ft plus 2? T plus 2 minus 1. T plus 2 minus 1 means t plus 1. Laplace of t plus 1. So what is Laplace of t plus 1? Laplace of t 1 by s square. And what is Laplace of 1? 1 by s. Over. This is Laplace of ft. So now I will explain you about next concept, that is called direct delta. Now direct delta function or impulse. We know impulse force means what? In physics we studied when a heavy amount of force acting on a body for very small time, then that force is known as impulse function. Same type here. How we define the function? See here. This is t. This is del. I took del epsilon. We didn't by del epsilon. This is time interval. We have taken a, and this is a plus epsilon. Epsilon is very small quantity, and this much length. We have denoted by 1 by epsilon. So how we define del epsilon t minus a? This is 0 for t less than a, for t greater than a and less than a plus epsilon. What is the value? 1 by epsilon, and 0 when t greater than a plus epsilon. So only for this small interval it is defined, and what is the value? 1 plus epsilon. Now see, when we reduce the interval, so it means what we are doing? We are tending epsilon tends to 0. When we reduce, so epsilon becomes 0, and when epsilon becomes 0 or tends to 0, what is force becomes 1 by 0, means infinite, because epsilon is here. So that's why it is called impulse function. When we take limit epsilon tends to 0, del epsilon of t minus a, it is known as del t minus a, means impulse function or direct delta function, which is also known as chronicle delta, means value is 1, and for others it's always 0. So now what is the Laplace of del t minus a? Its value is e to the power minus as. Just one formula is there, and that is the Laplace of direct delta is e to the power minus as. Okay, so hope you understand, but just this formula required, because when we go for inverse Laplace of e to the power minus as, what we get? Del t minus a. So that's why it's very important. Laplace inverse of e to the power minus as is what? Del t minus a. So, and Laplace inverse of e to the power minus as by s is ut minus a, means unit step. So both functions are very important. In next lecture I will explain you about periodic function and convolution theorem. Thank you. So please like, share and please subscribe. Okay, thank you.